Okay, this is a quick video about this mess. What I did is I took the hoist that I attached to the back of the golf cart and I more or less just stuck this mess onto it. This slides off so I can remove it, and of course that all comes loose. And then here's this mess at the end, and it looks like a train wreck. Got this little rope that you can pull, and that runs the chainsaw. But it does work. It got rid of a limb that I couldn't reach with anything but an extension ladder, and I'm kind of hesitant to haul a chainsaw up an extension ladder. So in any case, the thing worked.